Hello, this is Bonnie Ceplina, and welcome to my attempt at search engine optimization. This presentation will answer three main questions. What is search engine optimization? How do we optimize content? And how do we get traffic to our sites? Search engines such as Google and Bing discover and catalog all internet content. The search engine determines importance and relevance of this content. Search engine analytics, which is the use of search data to determine interactions between web users and search engines, is how the engines determine what content is important and who should see it. So everyone talks about the importance of content, which in a way is a little redundant because you don't have an app or a website without content. And then everyone says, well, in order to rank well, you have to have great content. But doesn't everyone think they have great content? So what constitutes good content or relevant content? And that would be optimizing your page with descriptive text and titles, descriptive images that go along with the text, as well as a descriptive URL. I chose a product pancake spatula and decided that I was going for the keywords best pancake spatula. And so the best practices for this were a descriptive URL, a site description between 50 to 160 characters, which incorporates keywords, and descriptive image tags. Now for the URL, I did begin with spiffy spatula. I then went to pancake spatula. At this point, I am now at bestpancakeспatula.html. I'm hoping that yields results. The site description, I kept that between 50 and 160, and I utilized best pancake spatula, pancakes. I thought if I put flipping pancakes in the description, that would assist me. The image, I made sure to use kitchen and spatula along with an alt of pancake spatula image, hoping that would rank me higher. Now, about the keyword optimization, there should be an appropriate page title, keyword targeted description, and keywords in page titles and descriptions. So as I said, I began with pancakespatula.html. I then wanted to go for a couple of sets of keywords because I knew from trying to get my own bonnieceplina.com onto Google that sometimes it makes sense to just initially target your index and your main company name to see that it gets ranked, which it did. These two items showed up, and then I went for pancake spatula. I later added the phrase best pancake spatula. The idea was to ensure the company name is easily found in search, which it should be if you're going to be a brand, and to ensure that a specific product would be found in search if I wanted to use products. So you'll see in my description, I used Acme Gadgets Company, and I then added home of the best pancake spatula, trying to get that darn spatula in there. Who knows if that's going to work? The jury's still out. Nothing has been yielded yet. And then the title is Acme Gadgets Company, and this is all on the index page. So my search results. For Bing, Acme Gadgets Company shows up right away in the first spot. It didn't disappoint me at all. It was not very hard at all to sign up for the Bing Webmaster Tools. That took all of a minute. And to submit the site using their special code that you had to put in your DNS. However, the pancake spatula yielded no position before or after optimization. So I'm a little disappointed that I only got 50% of my results. Now for Google, this has been an uphill battle. So as you can see from the image, I was able to get Google to index it. I was able to get them to re-index it when I changed some titles and tags and keywords around. But as far as getting just the words Acme Gadgets to show up for my site, or Acme Gadgets Company, or Pancake Spatula, or Best Pancake Spatula, I have gotten zero zip nada. Now I know from my BonnieCeplina.com, I mean, that's my own name. I started on the 7th page with that. I'm on the first page, but I'm at the bottom now, and I'm lagging way behind my parents' obituaries. So I don't I don't know how Google works yet. I'm still a work in progress, but I'm trying. So I really did some research as to what the 5 best strategies for website traffic. First of all, and I'm not even going to count this in my 5, is that I need to rank in Google. Bing seems to be easy, but I need to get that Google rank. One thing I know from history is that backlinks are so important. And so if I were to create a definitive guide, let's say about the 5 best pancake spatulas in history, perhaps I can get other people to link to my pancake spatula page. Also, there needs to be search intent versus keywords. I can't just concentrate on 3 keywords, because Google has gotten smarter over the years, and now they're looking for your intent with a page. They want you to create a content around a topic rather than just a few words, and that will increase rank and traffic. I want to define my target audience, and I want to create content which that audience needs. I want to identify any content gaps in my competitor sites, and I want to fill that gap. This will capture traffic they are missing. Also, utilize Google Analytics to measure traffic results and adjust content accordingly. Well, thank you very much for listening to my presentation. I'm very sad to report that a month in, I have not yielded better results. But because this project is due, I can't wait 6 months to turn in better results, so I'm afraid I'm just going to have to leave it with this and let the chips fall where they may. Thank you for listening.